The biggest financial trap young people fall into isn't spending. It's believing the system is designed to make them rich. From the time we're kids, we're told, go to college, get a job, work hard, buy a house. Then, retire someday if you're lucky. But here's the truth. That blueprint, it's broken. Wages are flat. Debt is rising. And most people are working 40+ hours just to stay afloat. Now, I'm not here to bash education. College can be valuable. But relying on a degree as your only plan? That's risky. If you want real freedom, not just survival, you need leverage. And that starts with building income outside your 9-to-5. So in this video, I'm breaking down 3 modern income streams anyone can start this year. No degree, no trust fund, no luck needed. You'll get real examples of people crushing it, a simple difficulty breakdown, and how you can start with little or no money. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, cash flow content, Faceless edition. First up, Faceless content creation. You've probably seen these channels blowing up on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. No face, no microphone, just smart visuals, snappy edits, and topics that keep you hooked. One guy I know started a finance clips channel. He used AI voiceovers, free stock footage, and viral scripts. In 6 months, it was making $3,200 per month in ad revenue and affiliate links. All automated. He never even showed his face. Here's why it works. Every platform is desperate for content right now. And if you can create scroll-stopping clips, especially in hot niches like money, motivation, or mindset, the algorithm rewards you. Even better, you can batch and repurpose one video across 3 to 4 platforms. Ratings, time to learn, 3 out of 5. If you watch shorts regularly, you're halfway there. Money needed, 1 out of 5. Free tools like CapCut, Canva, 11 Labs can get you started. How hard to hit $1,000 a month? 2 out of 5. Not easy, but possible within 90 days with volume plus testing. If you're consistent and strategic, this can go from side hustle to system. Side hustle number 2, digital product stacking. Next up, digital products. Think budget templates, Notion planners, mini courses, toolkits. Whatever problem you've solved in your own life, you can turn into a digital product and sell it 24/7 online. One creator made a simple Google Sheets budget for broke college students. It went viral on TikTok. She slapped it on Gumroad, charged $7. Now she's doing $5,000 a month, all off one product. The key is stacking. Start with one product, then build a few complementary offers. Upsells, bundles, subscriptions. Ratings, time to learn, 2.5 out of 5. Tools like Canva, Gumroad, and ChatGPT make this way easier now. Money needed, 1 out of 5, basically free to start. How hard to hit $1,000 a month? 2.5 out of 5. Viral marketing or a strong niche can speed things up. If you can package your knowledge into something useful, you're no longer trading time for money. Side hustle number 3, paid community builder. Last one, community-led income. This one's underrated. We're in the age of niche tribes. People don't just want information, they want connection, accountability, and a vibe. I've seen people build $1,000 a month communities around saving challenges, accountability squads, book clubs, side hustle, support groups. They use platforms like Discord, Geneva, or even private Telegram chats. Charge $10 to $20 per month. It's low cost, high trust, and it builds long-term loyalty. Ratings, time to learn, 3 out of 5. You'll need some tech setup and community management skills. Money needed, 1 out of 5. Free platforms can host your group. How hard to hit $1,000 a month. 2 out of 5. Just 50 people paying $20 a month gets you there. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need to build something worth sticking around for. Final thought. Don't wait to feel ready. You learn by doing. You grow by failing. And you win by sticking with it longer than most people are willing to. If you start now, even imperfectly,